Hey everyone, so my semester's over, it's summer for me. I have summer classes, but they're not physics or math related, so I'm not going to be posting any of my homework assignments or me studying, going through problems. Instead, I'm going to help other people. So this is from r/physics help, and it says, if you are experiencing a force of 500 newtons against your seatbelt as you turn a corner, a radius curve is 30 meters, and a car, how fast must you be traveling if the mass of your body is 80 kilograms? So we're going to use Newton's second law, but it mentions that we're rounding a curve, right? Or we're turning a curve. So we can say that our force is equal to m, our centripetal acceleration, which is mv squared over r. Now the question is asking how fast. That means velocity. So let's solve for velocity. The force times the radius divided by the mass, square root, is equal to the velocity. And we know all these things. We know that the force is 500 newtons, the radius is 30 meters, and your mass is 80 kilograms. The units all work out. We don't have to change our units. So 500 times 30 over 80 is 13.69 meters per second. So let's just look at the units so we make sure that we're okay with everything. So we have the square root of a Newton times a meter per kilogram. But a Newton is really a kilogram times a meter per second squared times a meter divided by a kilogram. This is all under the square root. Well, this kilogram and this kilogram will cancel, and we can, these are being multiplied. So you get meter squared per second squared square root, or meters per second, which are the units we want for velocity. So I was just showing you that to see that the units do work. This is how fast you would have to go in this case. So hopefully that makes sense for the most part. We're just mostly using centripetal acceleration.